You can see the driveway, we're on the right side. We'll come back in the same spot.
We're interested in the train, which is closest to the street, that's servicing the second level. Need a new pad, a new fuse disconnect, and a new whip.
Line set's running into the basement. I haven't been in there yet, so that minimum will re-insulate on the suction line. With access, that's it.